Hey guys, this is your boy Shape is back in another video of Barber Maestros. Guys, if you are looking for some hottest haircut, right now I think this video is exactly uploaded for you. Don't skip this video, you will find the most hottest haircut information. So, as you can see, this guy got the hard part with the comb over, and this is gonna be a most beautiful and huge chops transformation of the day over the second one. And here we go, the result is here. Finally this guy got some low fade and got some natural shape of line, and it looks pretty handsome on that guy. We're moving in the third one, and let's see what's gonna happen in this transformation. Bam, the low mid fade. There's no C cup, but it's fine. He's looking sharp. He got natural shape of line, and it's worth it. Okay. What would you think, guys? Is that worth it of $150 of this haircut or not? Yeah, my bro got perfect shape of line. You know what? The beard is always looking pretty handsome with bald head. Skin fade, and as you can see, this guy got some light corner on their forehead, but this barber just got him and gave him a perfect skin fade haircut. Okay, the low tapper, and got some messy chops on the top, and yeah, it's pretty handsome haircut. It's really popular among the young guys. Okay, we got another wolf chops transformation, and this is gonna be, I think, the mid fade with shape of line. Bro, we don't need that white stuff, bro. Yeah, we got perfect mid fade with shape of line. We got another wolf chops transformation, and this guy have also problem with their front line, and this barber just got him and gave him a perfect haircut. Now finally this guy got most beautiful low tapper with shape of line. If you really love to wear short hair and you are searching on some new haircut for your short hair, I think this video is exactly work for you, because in this video we have lots of haircut based on short hair are uploaded. So if you really love to wear short hair, you will find a great idea from here. As you can see, this guy have also issue with their light spot on forehead, and most probably this barber just gonna give him a perfect enhancement work, because there is no other solution. Oh, she caught perfect buzz cut. so-called perfect low tapper, a huge C cup. We are moving back to our track. We got another wolf shop transformation, and we got another similar problem with their light spawn, but this barber just solved their problem, and as you can see, he's looking so fresh, and it's really hard to recognize that guy after this haircut. Okay, low tapper with short afro. He's also looking pretty handsome on that guy. He's looking so fresh. Yes, sir. You are looking so fresh. Yes, you are. Step by step mid burst tapper fade. Here is the final product. You can book your appointment. I will mention this barber in my description box. Yeah, yeah. My bro looking so fresh. He's looking so fresh. Okay. Oh my god, that was unbelievable transformation. So we have some brush up here. That it's really hard to cut hair like that. It's not easy to give a perfect shape because brushy hair is really hard to handle. But this barber just got him and gave him a perfect shape of line with the tapper fade. That was fine transformation. Bam. That was low tapper with huge messy chops, and this guy looking pretty handsome with that haircut. Wow. We have another the last haircut transformation. and this guy got most beautiful sharp low fade and got some short pompadour, and that was the last haircut of it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated about video upload.